Here we were looking at AAPT. Done this one a few times before. It's been a while though since I've seen it, but had some questions and people telling me, hey, check it out. And this looks like a very nice chart. I like the way it's been acting, and it's sitting on the brink of what looks like a potential big breakout here. And it's one of these that I think will hopefully become more and more popular. I see it's getting more and more talked about now on the message boards again. So with a breakout, I'm sure that will definitely help. So what I want to point out here is first that it seems to have found bottom back here. You can see the big volume, so that was clearly some sort of capitulation day. After that, the stock has been rebounding nicely. But what I want to do is just base this chart out around a technical pattern, and we'll let's see, just find that blue. This pattern is just going to be a flag pattern, as we'll call it. The top of this flag portion, the resistance is going to be up here. I'm not sure what that value is. We'll check that here in a second. It's going to be up here. You can see 4 times now the price has bounced right off of this 0.033 level. And then what we're going to use for the bottom portion of the flag is the 50-day simple moving average, which is that purple line. So kind of put on your imagination hat. But if you look, and I'll just draw it out here in a neutral color. Again, we have our flag pole here. Here's the top of it. And then we're using this as the bottom. So right there gives us your flag. Again, the purple line here, this 50 days, what we're using as our support portion of the pattern. The other thing to note is that volume has picked up over the last 2 days. So for whatever reason, I haven't been following the company from a fundamental standpoint or anything, or a news standpoint, so I really have no idea. Maybe there's been some sort of news out, but regardless, who cares? There's been more volume coming in, and that's always a good sign, especially when you see it hovering right up here around this 0.033 level of resistance. So on a breakout, where is the next potential pit stop and area where the price could very well head? And that's up here, not until the previous high at 4 cents. So 4 cents is going to be the next level of resistance. I'll make that line a little thicker because it is an important level of resistance with any sort of break out of this flag pattern. So lots of potential here on a break, and it's been good to see that it's maintained above this 50-day simple moving average, which is valued at 0.025. So in a nutshell, 0.025 is the key level of support that you want to see continue to hold, and 0.033 is the level of resistance you want to see broken, which could very well shoot it up to 0.004 relatively quickly. So interesting chart. I'll have it on my watch list, and I'll definitely be keeping an eye on it. So if there are any other questions on it, though, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, no strings attached. We've been making some good money together on our alerts, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was AAPT. Thanks for listening.